Let's talk about stroke. Someone asked me in my comment section that, doctor, why is it that when someone have a stroke, one part of his body, his or her body will be paralyzed, or the person may not be able to use that part to walk? I was like, what happened during the stroke is your brain is an organ containing a lot of nerve cells, and the work of the brain is to interpret or to control everything that is happening within your body. That is the brain is one essential organ in our body. It controls everything. What happened is there are different regions in your brain. Each one have its own function. Each one have way, or the part of the body is controlling. Now, what happened during the stroke is, if something happened to your brain or the part of your brain, or if there is a damages in any part of your brain due to either accident, due to blockage of blood flowing to your brain, we have two major types of stroke. We have ischemic stroke and we have hemorrhagic stroke. Ischemic stroke occur when there is a blockage, and once there is a blockage, the blood flowing to your brain will be prevented. In such case, the brain will lack essential nutrients, and your brain needs oxygen every second to function well. So once your brain is lacking essential nutrient to function, it will easily, or the brain cells will easily damage immediately. That is when stroke comes in. And then when we are talking about hemorrhagic stroke, that is when there is a burst, or the blood vessel in your brain is bursted, splashing a blood on your brain cells. In such case, that part of the brain is going to damage. If the part of your brain that is controlling your sensation from the leg, like you'll be able to move your leg, you'll be able to walk, you'll be able to speak, that control your tongues, if that part of the brain is damaged, you will notice that you cannot be able to walk as before again, or that part is going to be paralyzed. If it is the one that controls your tongue, you see that you find it difficult to speak. You cannot speak again because the interpretation is not there again. That is what happened in your brain. That is why we always advise that when you notice that something is happening to you, don't wait for the complication to set in. When you go to the hospital, that case can be identified immediately and it can be managed. Some of us will complain that there is no money. After all, you can still be working, you can still be doing this, you can still be doing that. So there is no need of going to the hospital to waste money. There are some things, once they are handled from the earlier stage, they can be perfectly corrected or managed. But once they result into complication, you see that you have a defect. Once it comes to your brain, your heart, or any essential organs of your body, don't joke with them. We always emphasize on regular medical checkup. Millions of people, they don't take it seriously. You don't take it seriously, but we'll keep on advising you. Get yourself checked. Go to the hospital regularly and have your complete physical examination. Have yourself been tested. Run some laboratory investigation to elicit any possible effect. God bless you all. Share these videos with others.